Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to link Snapchat with Facebook. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Facebook and Snapchat account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Watch this video till the end so you will know how to link Snapchat with Facebook. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Facebook app. Here we go. Your profile appears. Now go to the option Edit Profile. Tap on that. Now scroll down to the bottom. You can see the option of links. Tap on that Edit option. Now at the top you can see the option of Add Social Link. Tap on that. Now tap on Platform. Now choose the option Snapchat. Now here enter your username of your Snapchat. Now tap on Save, which is given at the top right corner. Now go and check your profile. Here you can see that the link for Snapchat has been added to my Facebook. In this way, you can easily link your Snapchat with Facebook. I hope now you guys are clear about how to link Snapchat with Facebook. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Comment down below what you guys wanna see next. Thank you.